calG is Gannet Accelerated Calibration Data Analytics Platform. calG helps you lower emissions, improve performance, lower development cost, and reduce time to production. calG is a custom tool for performing data analytics to solve the problem systematically, paving the path for standardization of optimization routines or workflows. Finally, helping organizations to save a lot of time and money by reducing their dependency on high-cost infrastructure. Also, assisting in avoiding iterations due to human errors. calG, when applied to solving problems in engine and vehicle calibration, averts into 8 features as of now. The 8 features are: operating zone identification, engine emission optimization, not to exceed threshold zone identification, selective catalytic reduction, 3 virtual sensors, which are engine out nitrogen oxide estimator, engine out soot estimator, mass airflow estimator, and finally, engine out 3D map interpolator to create engine control unit maps in seconds. As mentioned earlier, these features are derived from the real engine vehicle calibration work. calG Data Analytics Platform is intended to apply to any other area which needs a systematic data analytics approach. Use calG and reduce your calibration development time by 30%. calG customization options for your process. One platform for all your optimization requirements. Contact us if you are looking for a custom data analytics platform. Our experts can create the custom platform in weeks. To support your projects,